Hi guys, welcome to Caribbean Blend. It's your girl Tease, and today I want to show you how I make and prepare my Jamaican jerk chicken. Alright, so I've been jerking chicken for over 15 years. I had a restaurant, I had a food truck, and this is what I know how to do, right? So I proceeded to season up with my special jerk seasoning and spices, and then I am heading outside in the backyard. And yes, guys, I am grilling in the snow. Right now, I'm standing in at least 12 inches of snow, right? And I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait for the summer. I felt like I wanted some jerk chicken. So I decided to just show you guys how I do my jerk chicken, right? It's not a total tutorial, but as you can see here, my coal is placed strategically on the grill. And also, if you can see that I'm not using too much charcoal, because again, everything I do, and I know I mention it a lot, you don't want your fire when you're cooking to be too high on your stove or your grill, right? And I'm using charcoal. In Jamaica, I know we use the pimento wood, but I don't have pimento wood here, so I'm improvising and we use the charcoal. All right, I'm not gonna spill my secret to you guys on how what I put on my chicken and how I get my flavor, but I'm showing you the basic of what I can show you, right? So right here you can see that I'm using whole chicken, and I just chop them in two, clean them, season them, marinate them, and they're ready to be grilled, right? And let me tell you, jerk chicken is not jerk chicken if it's not done on the grill or a smoker, all right? Because you need that taste, you need that flavor, you need that smoke, okay? So here we're closing the grill, and then you're gonna let this grill for like 2 hours, all right? And periodically you wanna keep it moist with water, or you can use chicken broth, or you can use the water from the seasoning of the chicken to just dump it periodically, right? And you let it grill for like 2 hours. And here you go. This is the finished product. Look at that. And guys, you should smell this chicken. It smells so good. Look at that. No burning. Perfect color. Look at that. Yeah, this is the way your jerk chicken is supposed to look. All right, if your jerk chicken don't look again, then you need to keep trying. It's not about burning. It's about capturing the flavor and the taste. All right. So this is Caribbean blend way of jerking chicken.